Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to show you friends how you can actually scan the Wi-Fi QR code in the Poco F3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Poco F3 smartphone. So there are a couple of ways how you can actually scan the QR code directly from the Poco F3 device. So in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more details as well. So right now you can see friends, I did get this kind of QR code ready in my another mobile phone. So if you're not in case if you want to connect a Wi-Fi connection very much faster without even entering the password, then this is a way how you can actually do that. And with the recent MIUI 12.5 updates as well, you did get this kind of option available, as you can see friends. So as soon as you open the Wi-Fi settings, you'll see this kind of option on the top corner. So let me try to focus properly. So this is the option which you will see. So just tap on that option, and then you will be taking the menu called please scan the QR code in the frame, as you can see friends. So this is a one way of doing that by going to the Wi-Fi settings, and there is another way of doing by going to the camera option. So directly try to open the camera and try to just point out in the QR code, as you can see. So as soon as you point on the QR code, it will try to show you this kind of option. So just tap on that one and you can directly connect using this phone, as you can see friends, connect to this network. So there are two types of methods actually you can use in this Poco F3 device to connect the Wi-Fi network successfully, so without even knowing the password as well. So this is a way actually you can do it by connecting in the Poco F3 device just by scanning the QR code, so which is available on this top, as you can see friends. So if you want to share this Wi-Fi network from the Poco F3 device, just you need to tap on this option. So then it will try to generate this QR code, as you can see friends. So in this way you might be able to share the Wi-Fi connection from the Poco F3 to the other devices without even knowing the password as well. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and thank you. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.